Welcome to the chess calculation workshop, where you will learn how to calculate lines and combinations in your chess games properly. My name is Viktor Neustroyev. I am a FIDE master and a chess coach. Currently, I am focusing on teaching chess online and offline. I have already brought up many students who became prize winners of their championships, of their towns and countries. However, I teach chess not only because of trophies. I like to make people's lives better, help them analyze it better, and make better decisions. I designed this course for any chess player who struggles with calculation, or just would like to improve his ability to calculate better and deeper, and visualize the position properly after that. By the end of the course, you will be able to calculate the lines 2-3 moves deeper, picture that position in your mind, and evaluate. What exactly do I teach in this course? I explain typical mistakes in calculation. I provide you with the exercises to improve, and we do them together, where I explain which moves candidates to be looking for and demonstrate a step-by-step calculation process. That's why I called it a workshop. The ideal student for this course is a chess player who desires to improve his ability to calculate and visualize positions better. However, don't worry, there is no requirement needed to enroll. You just have to be open-minded and ready to learn. Thank you for your interest in my course, Chess Calculation Workshop with FIDE Master Viktor Neustroyev. Feel free to take a look at the course description, and I look forward to see you there.